In today's tech-savvy world, eSIM, embedded SIM, is becoming a new trend, replacing traditional physical SIM cards. If you're wondering whether using an eSIM drains your battery more than a physical SIM, let's dive into the details with Gigago. 1. Does eSIM consume battery? The answer is that eSIM does not significantly drain battery compared to a physical SIM. Essentially, both eSIM and physical SIM perform the same function, connecting your device to the mobile network. Therefore, the battery consumption of eSIM is nearly equivalent to that of a physical SIM. 2. Factors affecting battery consumption when using eSIM. Although the battery difference between eSIM and physical SIM is minimal, some factors can impact battery usage when you're using eSIM. Using multiple SIMs simultaneously if your phone supports dual SIM usage. It will maintain connections to both networks, leading to increased battery consumption. Weak network signal. When your phone is in an area with a weak signal, whether using eSIM or physical SIM, it will work harder to maintain the connection, resulting in faster battery drain. 3. Advantages of eSIM beyond battery issues. Even with minimal battery consumption differences, eSIM offers many advantages over physical SIM. Convenience. No need to remove a physical SIM. eSIM can be activated easily via a simple QR code. Compact design with eSIM. Phones don't require a SIM card slot, allowing manufacturers more space to optimize design and technology. Easy network switching. eSIM allows for quick network changes without needing to visit a store for a new SIM. With the convenience and benefits eSIM offers, it's a worthy choice for travelers or business trips abroad.